How you doing today? This is not the real Satoshi coming at you with another theory. This one's not about marketing though. This one's another one about the universe. Now, I only have a little tiny 50 people watching this right now, but there is a video I made a while back about the universe possibly being finite but flipping in on itself. You should go watch it. I deleted part 2 because I stumble a lot in part 2. Anyway, here's my theory for today. What if dark matter is space? What does that mean? Okay, so dark matter is something that we have great difficulty detecting to the point where we really can't right now very well, right? Dark matter is not matter, or at least not typical matter like me, this shirt, or the phone I'm using to record this. So, what if the reason we can't detect dark matter is because we are looking right through it? As in, when we point our telescopes into space, we look out to the moon or Saturn or the Andromeda galaxy, and we can see through that. But what if the space that the light that we see is traveling through, obviously, is the dark matter? See, it would also explain how black holes can be empty space inside of an empty space. I think dark matter, just like regular matter, can clump together, which explains the dark matter hurricane that's supposedly coming our way. I didn't read too much into the dark matter hurricane yet. I will. But there's empty space in the dark matter. Maybe a black hole is literally a pocket of nothingness, and it sucks in everything around it, and everything falls into it because it falls into it because of its high gravity. I know that, but I'm talking about how it plunges into there. Anyway, so dark matter very well could be the vacuum of space itself. It would make up about 80% of everything in the universe because there's so much space between us and the moon, between us and the stars. It would equate to about 80%, probably, maybe even more than that, of the universe. You know, dark matter versus regular matter. There's Earth, and then there's the asteroids, there's the stars and the moon, and there's everything that is matter. But everything between that could be dark matter. Think about it. I'm trying to, put this more together. I'm not Einstein per se, but hey, I'm coming up with a lot of interesting things. Very least they're interesting, even if they're not correct. And if it comes out incorrect, I'll come out and say, hey, my theory was incorrect. Go ahead and watch it if you want, or whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to try and keep this short today, but that's what I think. I'm starting to think dark matter is space, just like we walk through the air, and that is like the atmosphere, partially. All of this that I'm moving my hands around in, that's what dark matter is. It's hard to observe. I mean, primates probably had a hard time determining that there was something in this that we were breathing. They just knew food, spear, fur for clothing. They didn't think, oh, there's these little particles in the atmosphere, and we call it particles and atmosphere. They didn't know these words. Just like that, dark matter could be space. That's all I got for today, so that's going to be it.